So apparently Gen Z's favorite fast fashion brand, their words, not mine, is looking for a senior women's wear designer in LA. I want to take a second to go over this job description to see what you will be doing and what the requirements are to get this job. So the job is listed on their site, and under requirements, you must have a bachelor's degree or a college degree in fashion. That is a must. You must have previous 3 years experience in commercial fashion brand. You must be proficient in Adobe Illustrator, InDesign, Photoshop, and Microsoft Office. Fluent in English, available to travel overseas in the future, and previous experience in graphic design work. We'll get back to that. So under what you'll be doing, what is this job? So they have that you will manage and oversee the development team and process. You're going to develop new designs from conception to final styling, create various graphic designs. We're going to get back to that. Create production sketches and development packages. Communicate with manufacturers during development and production phases. Prepare technical specifications. And review products for style and fit during sampling process. Now, for a senior fashion designer, what you typically are going to find is that this person oversees the design process, which is the very first thing they have listed. That is across the board, right? They're going to be the person who is going to set the theme for the collection, the person that's going to approve colors, approve fabrics, approve concepts, and then they're almost like the project manager at that point. They're going to do some sketches. They might have the team do some sketches, and then they're pretty much like, all right, you guys, you got to, churn this thing out. If it's a big enough company, what you're going to see is that they're going to pass some of this stuff off to their textile person, their colorist, their tech design team, which is why I said we'll get back to that. But it seems like in this job description, what they are requiring from their senior fashion designer is not only for them to do senior fashion design work, but some tech design work, some merchandise work, and some graphic design work. Now, to be honest, looking at their stuff online, you don't need to be Picasso to do the graphic design work. It looks like they're using like clip art. Like they're not really reinventing the wheel with their designs, honestly. And as far as the specs goes, the silhouettes are pretty standard and basic. Like if you know anything about specs, you should be good to go. Also, the part where they're saying develop new designs from conception to final styling is where you're getting into that realm of merchandising and maybe having some kind of influence over how this is going to be put out into the world as far as marketing and things like that. You should probably have some skill at that.